Most students think BIDMAS is easy. Right up until a question like this appears. Before we start, pause the video and see if you can work it out by yourself. Ready? First, we're not going to calculate everything at once. We're going to mark the order of operation. Inside the first bracket, division goes first, then multiplication, then what we've got and together. Second bracket, division, then division again, then addition, and then subtraction. Right, third bracket. I see the bracket is multiplied by 0. It means all this bit is 0. So don't bother to mark orders in third bracket. Right, and what has been left? Division. First bracket. 96 divided by 16. It is, you can use your calculator. 6. 12 times 4 is 48. And then add them together. 6 plus 48 is 54. Next bracket. 75 divided by 5 is 15. 280 divided by 20 is 14. Then 8 plus 15, take away 14 is 9. You can use your calculator if you want. Right. And then 54 divided by 9 is 6. So you see, the arithmetic was not difficult. The challenge was knowing what to ignore and what to calculate first, the order of operation. That's exactly where GCSE students lose marks.